Now you will see a 5-step plan to make more money watching YouTube videos. I have used the same plan to make a life-changing income online. For example, in the last 30 days I earned more than $14,000 using this website, and I earn thousands of dollars every month from other websites as well, as you have seen on my previous videos. If you don't know me before, I'm VidIQ from Finland. I'm the founder of the popular YouTube channel Learn to Make Honest Money Online, where I help people every single day from all around the world to make money from home. And on this channel, Tube Journey to Freedom, and in my program that goes with the same name, I help people every single day to make money on YouTube. And today I will tell you the best way to get paid for watching YouTube videos. And let's start immediately with the step number 1. And that is to determine the method you want to use to make money. If you have ever watched my main channel Learn to Make Honest Money Online, you know that there are numerous different ways to get money online. Whether you are using your smartphone, tablet or computer, you can make money everywhere in the world. Just to give you a couple of examples, easy money apps and easy money websites are something that people usually start with when they want to earn their first dollars online. And on my main channel I often give away this 100% free guide where I show 15 easy money apps to start making money online. And I show click-by-click tutorials how my YouTube subscriber can get money for free. The challenge with easy money apps and websites is that they don't usually pay a lot of money. So then there are of course other options like work from home jobs, and those jobs usually give you more money than, for example, easy money apps. But the challenge with jobs is that they often don't make you a life-changing income, or you don't have a similar freedom than if you make money, for example, by copy-pasting links online, which is my favorite way to make money, which is also known as affiliate marketing. So those were just 3 different examples of making money online. And when you watch my channel Learn to Make Honest Money Online, where I have more than 1,400 videos, you will see a lot of different ways how you can make money online. And you will get all of those ideas simply by watching YouTube videos. And once you have finished step number 1, so you have determined the method you want to use to make money, it's time to move to step number 2, which is to download or bookmark relevant videos within that topic. Let me give you a simple example. Let's say that you want to make money online, copy-pasting links online. You have seen that you can make a lot of money with it. For example, here with just one website, I make more than $14,000 a month. So you set a goal to make at least $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing, and you come to my playlist right here. And now, if you are using your mobile phone, you will be able to download the videos on your mobile phone using YouTube app. And if you are using your computer, then you can bookmark them. So let me show you. You can click here this bookmark button. Let me show you an example. You can click that one and then you can save them. Here you can even create a folder if you want. You click here done, and then you can take this one as well. You may, for example, create a folder called Make Money Copy Pasting Links. You click here done, and you take the next one. You click here done. You can see here get paid per click on your link, 7 high-ticket affiliate programs to earn $1,000 per click, complete affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners step by step. So you download those videos on your phone or you bookmark them on your computer. And the reason for this is that you can come back to them later if you don't have time to finish everything, because here you have like 55 different tutorials that will help you to make money copy pasting links. So I assume you are not able to watch all of them at one go, and that's why you want to bookmark them or download if you are using your mobile phone, so you can watch them as soon as you will have time. The beautiful thing of using your mobile phone is that you can make money and learn to make money whether you are in a bus or train or airplane, everywhere in the world. Once you have started studying and you get some ideas from these videos, it's time to move to step number 3, which is take action while you are learning. For example, if you are watching my YouTube channel Tube Journey to Freedom, and I show you steps to start your own YouTube channel and how to make money copy pasting links into your YouTube channel, you go through those steps. You click here to upload, you click right here to upload video, or if you want to make money copy pasting links, you come into the description and then you come right here and then you will paste your links right here. And of course you do the optimization, you add the playlist, and you do all of these things in order to make money. So you don't simply passively watch videos and listen to videos, you also take action. So you do something, whether it's moving your fingers on top of your mouse or on top of your keyboard, you do something. And you notice that this money making method is different compared to old-fashioned university or government schools. I don't know how many years is it obligatory to study in schools in your country, but let me give you a part of my own story. I'm from Finland, so I started in the first elementary or upper elementary school for 9 years. After that I went to high school, I studied for 3 years. After that I went to university, so I studied for 3 more years. By that time I had studied for 15 years. And of course every rational person understands that it's complete nonsense. Of course I hope that I could go back in time. I wouldn't go into high school, I wouldn't go into university, I would simply start making money online immediately. But I didn't have the knowledge back then. But you are a luckier person because you can already learn to make money online. So the idea is that you don't study for 3 years watching all of these videos right here. I have 1400 videos on my main channel. You watch, let's say, 1 or 2 videos, then you take some action. And then after that, you ask a question, for example, from me. And then you watch another video, you watch another video, and you repeat those steps 2 and 3. So you study and you learn, and then you take action. You study, you take action. Understand, it's completely different than from government schools or universities where they force you to study for years, and only after that, once you have studied everything and you have forgotten 95-99% of what you have studied, then you start taking action. That's complete nonsense. And once you repeat those steps 2, taking action and studying, you are ready to move to step number 4, which is always determine the next skill that you must master. And I will give you some real life examples. Let me give you now examples of making money copy pasting links, because this is the topic that I'm expert at. The first step you may want to decide and master is to what platform you want to copy paste links on. Do you want to use YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or what platform you want to use? Of course, you can watch different videos to get different ideas, but I recommend that you simply choose the platform that you are already familiar with. In your case, it's probably making money on YouTube, and that's why you are on the right channel, which is Tube Journey to Freedom. Once you have chosen a platform, the next step is to master that platform. In your case, it will be YouTube, and you can start learning different things about YouTube. For example, how to optimize your videos, how to add the end screen cards, how to add your videos into playlist by clicking here, how to add tags, how to monetize your videos with just one click here on the monetization, how to monetize your videos copy pasting links, how to automate the system, for example, add upload defaults to make money in an automated way. And if you don't want to show your face, you learn how you can make money on YouTube without showing your face, how to use all the YouTube tools such as YouTube Analytics and all the data and numbers that they provide for you, and all of these things. So you go one by one and you start mastering the platform that you use. And remember to keep on repeating steps number 2 and 3. So you study and then you learn. So you all the time you publish videos, for example, for YouTube, clicking here create and click upload videos, and at the same time you keep on learning. So you keep on watching videos on Tube Journey to Freedom, and of course if you want to make money copy pasting links, you keep on watching videos from here. And the next step, for example, when you want to make money copy pasting links, is to decide the best websites and affiliate programs that will pay you money automatically every single month. One of them is of course this one that pays me more than $14,000 a month that I've shown you many times on my channel. Here I show 7 high ticket affiliate programs to earn more than $1,000 per click. And on this playlist you will see how to find the best affiliate networks that will give you money, 12 highest paying affiliate programs with recurring commissions, so they pay you automatically each month or each year, and much more. So you decide the best websites and programs and then you sign up to them. For example, one of them is Amazon. It may be good for beginners who want to make their first dollars, but if you want to make more money, then you probably want to use some higher paying programs. And then you learn how to scale your business, how to get more views on YouTube, how to hire perhaps the freelancers or helpers for your business, and whatever you may need. So you go through step by step, one by one, and you keep on improving your skills. You determine what to learn, you download and bookmark YouTube videos for the topic, you keep on watching those YouTube videos to get more knowledge, get more information, and then you take action. This is the basic process. And once you start making money with this system, you move to step number 5, which is repeating the process over and over again. Let me just give you an example with this one that I have been showing for you. Now it makes me $14,000 in a month. But as a rational person, you understand that it didn't jump from 0 to $14,000 a month like this. It went first, for example, from 0 to $500 a month, let's say 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, 5,000, 10,000, now 14,000. So you keep on repeating the same process over and over again to keep on increase your earnings. The beauty of affiliate marketing, also known as copy pasting links, is that you will set up automated income systems. So I have many websites that send me money every single month simply because I have copy pasted the links on YouTube, and you can set up the same systems. And I've seen thousands of people worldwide starting to make money online, and generally all of them succeed eventually making money if they don't quit. And the number one reason why I see some people failing is that they simply quit too early. And there are of course many ways how you can avoid that from happening, but one suggestion that may be a little bit surprising for you is buying some program. I'm not saying that you should buy my program or some specific program, but hear me out here. Oftentimes I see some people watching just free YouTube videos over and over again, thousands of hours. You know, this university style, right? Just watching. They don't really pay attention. There is an old saying, if you don't pay, you don't pay attention. So let's say you invest a couple of $100 in an online program or online course that teaches you the steps to make money. Now you have invested something and now you are much more likely to pay attention, right? Of course, may not apply for 100% everybody, but something to keep in mind. The second thing is that sometimes on YouTube, things are not in a perfectly organized manner. Because let's say somebody asked me, hey Rob, how do you make money with this website? So then I answer their request and I show step by step how I make money, click by click, as you have seen on my main channel, Learn to Make Honest Money Online. I've shown you many times how you can make money for 100% free. Then another person asks how to make money with easy money apps. So then I show for them how to make money with easy money apps. Then somebody asks, hey, how can I get work from home jobs? So then I create videos for them. So I help everybody out as much as I humanly can. So you understand that sometimes they are not in the same organized manner as, for example, with my Tube Journey to Freedom program, where it's 100% focuses on helping people who want to make money on YouTube. So I help people going from complete beginners to making a life-changing income online. I show everything from A to Z in an organized way. You understand the difference between a program and a YouTube content. And then of course, when you go through a program, you usually get more support. Of course, I help everybody on our channels, but you know that there are already more than 180,000 people that I'm helping on my YouTube channel, answering all the comments every single day. So my focus is spread quite thin. Meanwhile, for people who join my Tube Journey to Freedom program, I can give more personalized support. I'm able to answer people's questions and emails personally and help people in the Facebook group. And that of course leads us to fourth benefit, which is networking. You get to know other people who are doing the same thing that you are doing. You can bounce ideas and you can share ideas. Perhaps you can get support from those other course members. Perhaps they will help you out in some ways. So there are many benefits also for buying a program, and that's why I would say that you can make money by watching YouTube videos, following this 5-step formula, but it may be good considering buying also a step-by-step program that walks you through the money-making process. And now, my friend, it's immediately time to take action. First, tell me in the comment which method do you want to use to make money online. Step number 2, download or bookmark the videos from my YouTube channel, Learn to Make Honest Money Online, or Tube Journey to Freedom regarding that topic that you want to master. And step number 3 is of course go through all those videos that you have downloaded or bookmarked. For example, if you want to make money on YouTube, go through all the videos on Tube Journey to Freedom channel. And of course, if you want to go through it in an organized way, you can also do that through my program, Tube Journey to Freedom. If you want to make money without showing your face, you and me, my friend, we are going to see immediately on this playlist, make money on YouTube without showing your face.